Hey everybody, I'm back with another DIY nail figure video today. We're going to be building a guy rappelling or climbing, depending on how you're looking at it. But what it's going to be is like the back of a door. You can hang him off there, or a window and stuff like that. I've built one of these railroad spikes. I think I said that in a previous video. But for today, we're going to make one of the miniature ones. We have some little wire right here that I think will work for climbing rope. I don't think I can weld that, so I think it's just going to be wrapped around him, and it would be pretty accurate actually for how a climbing harness would look and how it would be attached location wise. But yeah, let's get started on that. So that first time lapse that you saw was all one, obviously. It really doesn't take me that long to clean up the metal, get it bent, or anything like that, even just set up. Super simple, and now we're ready to weld. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends and family, whoever, because I love doing this, and heck, if you want one, maybe I'll make one for you. Just comment below. So you saw I got it welded, and I tried test fitting the wire around it. Should work good, but I realized that the arm is not quite in the right place, so I am bending it back down a little bit because it should be below the waist roughly, but we'll see how well that works. Straighten it out. Here. Now you can actually see what I'm doing. So the problem is that I didn't cut this yet because I don't know how long I want it to be, and it's getting tangled in my welder's cables. So let's see, maybe I should just go to a rope, but I have some string. That might work better. Let me try some string because it'll then look more accurate. So let's see what I have for string. So I did find some parachute cord, and it's a kern mantle rope, which is what you use for climbing and rappelling, which is inner part surrounded by an outer part for simplistic terms. But this should work really well because I know how to tie it on such a way. It's just then going to be a matter of getting the figure to balance correctly. The light isn't the best right here, but the sound may end up being a little bit echoey as well. But we do have a door at our disposal. So if I just hang the rope over, we can see what needs to be adjusted on him. So definitely hanging over to one side. Bring you down closer to see it. Definitely lopsided. So to fix that, I think we need to bring this leg up. So what I ended up doing was putting a couple of spot welds on the hands, bending the leg, and then just cutting the rope or the paracord and tying it off, and the knot catches the door. So I think it came out great for a quick hour and a half long project, considering I stopped for lunch in the middle and wasn't looking at the clock. I think this thing's really cool. It sits straight. It looks like somebody repelling because that's the motion they do. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. If you want one of these, comment, tell me, because maybe I'll start selling them. I don't know. They're pretty fun to make. So, anyway, have a great day, and see you in the next one.